705 Washington in Sunnyvale, open house. It's a corner lot, quaint little house. We'll see how it is on the inside.
How they call that? White?
Oh, white picket fence, white picket fence, white picket fence. All right. So mailbox opening.
This is the house that has roof. Yeah, it's a house with a roof.
Lavender.
Original wood floor.
Yes. Take a look. Okay. All right. So this is so this is a bedroom here with a nice painting here. I guess you can have a shelf space. Oh, this is the growth chart right here. Okay, and closet. Let's close this. Uh-oh. And then renovated bathroom. Let's check out the, I guess, a master bedroom with closet space and an upper closet space. All right. All right. And what's that? Furnace, maybe? Oh no, storage space. All right, fair. Oh, second bedroom, ensuite, mini bathroom, and here's, I guess, a nursery room. This is the backyard and a loft or second unit. I don't know. We'll have to check it out, and we'll kind of circle back. This is the entrance to the kitchen, living room. All right. So coming over here is the bathroom. Oh, and there's a finished basement that we can check out. All right. Okay. And so we'll go down in a bit. Goodies. Okay, so we'll go downstairs. All right, so we'll see here. Second floor, second unit. I'll go check it out. So. Oh, nice little office space. It's probably a garage underneath. Let's go check it out. Oh, yes, the garage. Let's see. Yeah. Garage with the recycling bins and stuff and used for storage. I guess it could be used as a garage. And the entrance. All right, so we'll go to the basement. All right, let's go check it out. All right, so. All right, what do you think about the finished?
Storage room.
This reminds me of another place we saw with the finished basement. Lights on. Where are the lights? Can't see the lights. Light switch somewhere. Anyhow, just imagine there's a work table And further down, you can walk to the end, wherever that is. It's like maybe another 2, 3, 4 meters, 2 meters ahead. All right, it's like crawl space, except this one is dug a bit deeper. Okay, that's all. I'm gonna go back up. You can see outside from here the ground level. All right, and we shall go back up. You're welcome. We're supposed to go up. Oh, it's warm up here. It is definitely warm up here. Oh my god, I want to go back down. This is California heat. Heat rises, of course, but it's warm up. Alright, that's all. Oops. Back out. And that was 705 Washington.